G'day traders, Corey here with the European preview. Get straight stuck into it. Asian stocks down, oil drops, and people are starting to talk about the Fed again. So it's a little bit over a week away. Possible Fed rate, so you could see people starting to buy those dollars back again. But I'm just checking out the main page, seeing what that dollar index has done in the Asian session, and not much. Just a bit of sideways action still, so nothing too much in it. Checking out the Nikkei. The Nikkei's down about 1%, and the dollar yen's kind of following that with a bit of stronger numbers coming out of Japan in the sense of GDP. The GDP was expected flat, came up 0.3, and you kind of saw it rally right before the open. Rallying, I mean going down in the sense that yen is strengthening against the dollar. See what we've got going today. I will kind of only focus on the yen, Aussie, and Kiwi, as those are the most active. We kind of had this sitting above the support in the Asian Open, right here in the Aussie. And we did see it kind of get some numbers coming out on the business conference, a bit stronger. You see it kind of bounce off the support line, and now it just kind of shot through there. Bit unsure why. We did have China's trade balance coming out, and that's pretty much what did the trick. I'll show you the numbers that came out, and they're right here. So it's 63 expected, 63 billion, and it came out 54. So that's pretty much what Aussie's going on the back of. Weak numbers out of China, and you will see the Aussie come off of it. Also, with that being said, we do have Chinese equities down, about 1.2, 1.3% respectively. So another thing that could be driving the Aussie lower. But we'll kind of keep an eye on this. Going to the European session. It was kind of validated right before this morning, this trend line, but looks like a bit of a follow through once it did break that level through 72.50. So just something to keep an eye on. I'm not sure if any of you got on that trade, but your next support is coming around 72 to fig. So just have an eye on that one, guys. Dollar yen, we did see it kind of come off earlier with that GDP numbers, hit the cloud. Now it's kind of dancing on the top of the cloud, so that's kind of the next level to get involved. You do see people kind of respecting that bit of the cloud, bit of buying back once you hit the top of that. So we'll kind of see how that acts going forward as well. We could see dollar strength come back into play, and you could see it rally off of this cloud. What do we got tonight? We do have the manufacturing production coming out of the UK. So I'm checking out the sterling, seeing what action is going on. Just a bit sideways, really. Still sitting mid-range. Not much going on. I know a few of you guys this morning were talking about the euro sterling. Gibbo was talking about with Gary. We'll kind of bring that one up just to show you what the next level would be to kind of get involved if that is something you're looking to hit. Again, you could always hit that live as well. If you do get weak numbers out of the UK, you could see a rally forward to kind of get better sell zone in the euro, because you really don't want to be buying euro at the moment. I know it's very high, but we're still a seller of euro. But it looks like the next sell zone could be around 72.40 on this resistance line. This is something to keep an eye on as well. Check out the sterling yen. I know that was sitting pretty at the moment, but we'll see if the level still holds. There it is. It's kind of sitting there, just poking through. So I mean, somewhat of the support line. It was sitting good, kind of dancing on the bottom of this cloud. I'm hoping for this to kind of a lot of buying action happening around here, and we do see it kind of drift upwards in the middle of the cloud pre-data. This number does come out weaker, and we got the market sitting above this trend line still. I'm happy to put a break chart on the support and see it kind of take a dive south through 185. So that's kind of the trade I'm kind of looking at coming into the manufacturing production. And that's about it for tonight, guys. Just remember, it is a big week, so don't throw all your trades in at once. Kind of have patience this week and wait for the right opportunity. If we do get a big difference in the manufacturing production out of the UK, could see a bit of movement. That could be the trade, but if not, it comes out as expected or slightly stronger or worse. Don't worry about it too much. Not to worry. We still have plenty of things to do tomorrow, like the Aussie and China CPI tomorrow, as well as New Zealand cash rate. And that's straight into Aussie unemployment. Sterling official bank rate, heading straight into U.S. retail sales. So we still got a big data week ahead of us. So don't really worry about missing the trades or getting involved too early. Just kind of have the patience this week, and we'll get it going. All right, guys. Best of luck, and we will speak to you later. All right, cheers.